Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Wednesday, April 4th. We made it. Happy hump day to everybody. We have another one Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys are safe. Everybody's alright. Been a crazy month so far. Getting closer to my birthday. And now we shall see what they have to offer you guys at a low cost. All you gotta do is click the links down below. Check them out. And we have here. We have something. There's a little box right here. Oh, these are my good friends over at SIEGES. Smart Wi-Fi plug. These are really useful. All programmed on your phone, your iPhone, your Galaxy 8, 9, Note tablets, and definitely useful. All you gotta do is just run the app. They have an app. It's an home app, and then hook it up. It's very simple to do. Like I said, Wi-Fi ready. And then you can turn off your TVs, computers, pretty much anything you have plugged into your wall sockets. Ooh, a little dirty there. And righty, where do we open this from? Get out. Nice packaging. Nice little box, so for sure. Good job. SIEGES. Amazon Prime. Get the fast 2-day shipping. Nice little housewarming gifts for your family members. Yeah, boom. This is a 2-pack special. Not a 2-pack. There we go. I just watched that show yesterday. That was pretty good so far, the series. But we'll get into this right now. Like I said, really simple. SIEGES. Smart. I'll hook it up in a second. Let's grab my other phone, tablet. I always take these things off, just in case. I don't need to hook them both up. I'll just hook one up and show you guys how simple it is. But yeah, definitely check them out. Really good people. Great customer service. Can't open this one. Meh. Let me cut it. Got the scissors on standby. There we go. And here's the second one. Same as the other one. Nice white. Not sure if they have different colors, but I know they just have the white 2-pack. And then, not sure about the others. Alright, I'm going to pause you guys and grab my phone. Okay, dokie. I am back. I got my other phone. My Galaxy 8 Plus. I'm on the 9 Plus right now. Here's a plug. Take you guys down this way to my socket. Plug her in. Boom. See it flashing? That's a good sign. But you gotta hold it a few seconds. There it goes. Oh, I think that's it. There we go. We got it plugged in there. And now, let me get this rolling before my phone dies. I don't need to do an update right now. This is the Home. And for you Android users, it's under Google Play to type in Home. Or there's QR codes they got in the manual where you can just scan those and it'll take you to the site. But there's Home. It's under Smart Socket, I do believe. Confirm. You just hit confirm. Oh. And it should connect. Let's see if I got it right. Hopefully I did. Maybe not. I gotta try holding it in. Alright. I gotta make sure. Alright. See? And you could call it what you want to call it. So if it's in your bedroom, just type in bedroom, whatever, plugged into. And then just edit right there. Oh, come on. Done. See? Now it's off. You can hear the clicks. Switch, countdown, timer. All that good stuff is there. You can always share it with a family member. Comment, socket. And like I said, really easy to set up once you got it rolling with your Wi-Fi. And all you gotta do is click the link down below. Grab a couple if you guys want. And then that's about it for today. I have another video coming up. You guys be safe. Check them out. SIEGES, I believe. SIEGES 2-pack. Boom, right there. Really cool stuff. They have other devices and electronics also. So take a look, YouTubers. You guys be safe and see you soon.